Hello, creators and crafters, and welcome to my guest bathroom. Today, I actually decided that I would like to change all of my Valentine's decor straight into Easter. I couldn't get around to doing St. Patrick's Day decor because, one, I haven't made my St. Patrick's Day decor yet, and two, I had no St. Patrick's Day decor to decorate with. So I have a ton of really cute Easter items I've picked up at garage sales, thrift stores, and estate sales. Probably some other places too. Maybe people have just given me stuff that I've converted into things. I am going to be turning all of this decor in here to Easter decor, and I wanted to show you how I can use just one container of decor items and find a small space in my home that I'm going to redecorate into a cute Easter themed, bunny day vibe bathroom. And that's going to be the one area of my house that I typically always decorate for the holidays, and then the rest of my house, whenever I do decorate it for the holidays, I do Halloween, and I also do way too much Christmas. But for all the other holidays, it's only my guest bathroom. So this is my little treat to myself that I redecorate kind of for me, and then also it's really nice that other people coming to the house can enjoy the little bit of decor that I do. But I'm going to redecorate the space, and I hope you like what I do and get some cute ideas. This is all my stuff, and I'm gonna go into my bathroom right there. I have a light here so that everyone can see some items in here, nice and bright. This light is a little bit yellow, so hopefully the white light over here, you can see me. Yeah, hey everybody. So we're just going to magically make all of this Easter. I'm gonna place everything out here, and then I can see what I have, and then I can grab those items and walk into here to decorate with, because I feel like if I start just pulling stuff out and I want to get to something on the bottom, I'm not gonna realize it's there, one, until I get to it, and two, I've already almost broken some things by trying to pull it out, so it's just gonna all get laid out here. Make yourself a space where you can pull out all of your decor, place it on wherever the space is. It can even just be an area on the floor. Almost all of this, minus this and that, fit into this. So honestly, I think for a guest bathroom, maybe 2 containers would be really nice. I don't even know if this is enough to do all the decorations, but hopefully it is. I mean, look at all these cute little things. I even left the price tags on it. I got that for $5 just because I was obsessed with these little bunny villages. I made these, I made those. I found these at a garage sale, and I made a bunch of eggs. I just decoupaged over plastic Easter eggs. This one actually came with the ears on, and I just painted it with baking soda and paint. And then these I covered with yarn. So I have quite a few things that I can work with. Let's see if I can make a cute design. I bought these on eBay. I had to have them because I couldn't find the matching one. I know this is not very Easter style, but I mean, it's Easter colors and it matches this guy. So it's gonna be a weird eclectic mix of things, some vintage, some not, some crafted, some handmade. These are more rustic colors and these are more pastels. Let's see if I can make it work. Now I'm gonna take all of that down and put it in the one container I have, which is here. But apparently I'm a little bit of a collecting hoarder, and I have been collecting items in my Valentine's Day container. I think that this video should be called 2 container decor for one space. I'm gonna have to empty this to get all of that in it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. I have some stuff up here that might be acceptable for the holiday, of Easter, with flowers and spring and stuff like that. So I don't know if I should take this down. I might just start decorating and see if this works, and then if it doesn't work, I can take it down and I can make something different. I really would love to make some really cute egg garland where I take plastic eggs, maybe put little holes in them and stick them on a string of Christmas lights. And that could be in a future video, but I don't have that made yet. I'm gonna see if this even works. And then I have a couple items up high that I need to pull down still. By the way, this is a cloche or a cloche light. I've heard it pronounced both ways. It is a French word, and it means a dome-shaped cover. It has a lot of other meanings as well. They're pretty popular and they're expensive, but I found this whenever we went to a yard sale in Sun City Center, and somebody was selling it for $5, and I really wanted it just for this translucent dome, but I realized I could stick stuff in here, and it's pretty cute, so you can see what it looks like with nothing in there. And the reason I even wanted to put something inside was because it's not it's pretty, and this wire is very unattractive, so I thought that whenever I put the flowers inside, it kind of hid the wire and the fact that it's just a hot mess over here. But I got these Bluetooth outlets, which is really nice because I can tell the Google to do my bidding, and I like to tell Google to do my bidding. Now my bathroom is mostly empty. Sorry about the echoing. I left the towels in so it wouldn't be too echoey, but I'm gonna show you the bathroom. It's pretty barren, but I did leave these up, and that is an additional item that I left up there because I'm hoping that spring and flowers and Easter, it'll look nice, even though I kind of went really Valentine's Day. Now I'm thinking maybe I should have made it a bit more generic, but I think it's gonna work. If it doesn't, I can change it in the future. I can just pull it off, but for now, it's filling in the space and it looks nice, so I'm just gonna try and hope. Because sometimes it's the best you can do, is you can just try and hope. I have OCD, so I'm gonna clean the space, and then I'm gonna decorate it. So here's a time lapse of me cleaning the space, and I hope that it's no more than 5 seconds. I found this, and I forgot that it has a light in it, and like a little window with the bunny. So I'm gonna actually take the clouch out, or cloche, however you prefer, and I'm gonna put this over there. Hopefully it's enough light, but I do think that with the garland light right now, this will be enough. I'm really excited because I love to have a little nightlight in the room that's not actually a nightlight, but a thing or a lamp in the bathroom because it's nice for guests. And in the middle of the night, I don't want to turn the light on just to go to the bathroom. I just want like a little bit of light. Oh, it's so cute. Problem right now is I need height here. So maybe I'll put that piece of art that I had here and see if it kind of goes with this. It's a little more muted and these are a bit more pastel, but maybe. Now I have a dilemma. I have gotten this shelf done, and then this shelf done. But my issue is this empty space here, and then this empty space here. So honestly, I'm thinking this calls for carrots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in 2 nails here, because whatever, they're just a couple of nails. And then I have these tied, you know, around the carrot waist. And no carrot goes to waste here though. So I'm going to put some nails in and then attach them to the nail, because remember, you can put 3-dimensional items on your wall because it's your wall and you can put whatever you want on it. So that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is I'm going to figure out where I want it. I'm going to stick a nail where it can catch onto here. You can also use cup hooks, which are really helpful and useful, especially in projects like this, but I have tiny little nails and I know that it can grasp onto this. And so it'll kind of just hang. So I'll just have some carrots hanging out. And I always put my nails in at a 45-degree angle. So I'm just gonna hook this on. Oh my God, it's so cute. And then you can just mess with your carrots and make them do whatever you want them to do. Okay, all right, I'm gonna do that down here. I really like that. Yeah, so if you have a bunch of carrots, you can just tie them together with some twine and then hook it on. You can even make like a little hook if you want to be super precise and glue it on, but this works. It's less work, and I'm okay with that. So I'm just gonna talk about a couple little tricks. I used nail polish. See what I did there? No, so I used this nail polish here because I didn't like that I could see the screw and or this nail, and I didn't want to take the nail out, lose a spot, and then, you know, theirs are so small whenever you paint, they just fill in. But I didn't want this to be so noticeable, so I just painted it. And from a distance, you don't really see it. I always have the nail in here because I know I always want some height there. And then that nail might come out, and then if we ever repaint in here, it'll fill in those little nail holes, but I know that the hole is there and that I can stick something back in there. You can see they kind of just fill in. But yeah, here it is so far. I'm gonna, now that you saw my little trick, you can just paint your nails the color of your wall and then you can leave them in there if there's nothing on them. If you want to move stuff around whenever you're decorating, it's just something that I do. Also, this wire here, for these, because these light up, I tucked it behind my mirror. So I just have to keep it tucked. And I think that next time I hang a mirror, I'll leave like a little bit of a gap where I can put a wire through, because if I'm gonna have shelves behind my toilet here, I can zoom out for you guys. So I'm gonna have shelves right above my toilet. I said behind, above the toilet. And then if I wanna put anything lit on it and hide the wire, it would be cool if there was like a tiny little space below the mirror to do that. So I'm not moving this mirror up though. It was a really big pain to get on, but in the future, now I know. Hang your mirror slightly higher so that you can hide a wire under it. I'm done decorating. There are a couple things that I would like to do, maybe craft in the future, like something to go above the lights, but I'm done. I did what I could with what I got, and I'm going to show you the final results. And it'll just be a future work in progress, but I just wanted to share with you me decorating my guest bathroom and see if you guys liked it. Maybe you learned a couple of things, maybe you got a couple of ideas, maybe this will just inspire you to do your guest bathroom. Maybe you can just watch this and listen to it and just be entertained. But whatever you want to do with this video, do as you wish, and I hope that you enjoyed this. So thanks so much for watching, and here is the final result. I almost forgot. This is what it looks like in the dark. Look at the little bunny train. It's so cute. And then the little bunny house. They're doing stuff in there. Can you see them? Oh, it's so cute. Okay. And then the lights around the mirror. There it is. That's it. In the dark. Now you know. It's kind of nice. I like it. Bye, guys. Hey, Zero. You want to have an Easter area? Should we Easter your food? Oh, are you into it? Picking up what I'm throwing down? That wasn't very funny. Let's just slide that right there. All right, wait, let's be classy. Hey, hold on, I gotta tuck in your label. Okay, there you go. All right, enjoy your Easter food. Hey Zero. This is vitamin powder I put on their food. All right, chair. Vlogging is hard. I don't know how people do it. This is my first time. This is awkward. You guys see how awkward this is? Look how awkward. Goodbye, tiny winged people. We will see you next year. Alrighty. Alright, just knocking poopery over.